Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be teaching you how to add network to your MetaMask. Whenever someone gave you contract address and say you should add it to your MetaMask, this is how you are going to do it. You open your MetaMask, you click on this arrow that I circled like this place that I circled. You click on it. So once you click on it, you click on this plus sign. You click on the plus sign. So once you click on it, you see this token and network. You click on this token. When someone gave you a contract address and say you should add to MetaMask or to Trust Wallet, just the same method. So if the network, the person will indicate whether the network is Ethereum, a BNB, and so on. So you just click on this network to change it. Like this meme airdrop that we are doing now, they say we should use BNB. So you just change this Ethereum to BNB. Click on it. You click on BNB Smart Chain. So it has changed to BNB Smart Chain. Now you copy the contract address and paste here. As you can see, once you paste the right contract address, this name, symbol, and the decimal, all of them will autofill. Then you click on save. Once you save it, you go back to your main dashboard. You will see that your network will come down here. But if they say you should add a network, add a token that have already been in a Trust Wallet, a token that have already been in Trust Wallet, all you need to do is to click on add token. Click on this add token. You click on it. You find all these token. Search for the token that you want to add. Right? If the token is not here, if you are given a contract address, then you need to click here to add it by yourself. But if it is here, if you search it, let me just search for meme coin, the one I just added, meme coin. As you can see, I added by myself here. This is the one I just added. But if it is a meme ERC20, see it here. So if you search for it and you did not see it, there is meme BEP20, there is meme ERC20. So the one that we added is BEP20, that is BNB. If you search it here and you did not see it, that means you need to add it the way I just did mine. So it's very simple as that. So after that, you just go and open it. If you want to make use of the wallet address, you just click on it, you open it, you click on receive, then see your wallet address here. You can just click on copy, then you make use of it. Thank you for watching. Please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe now, and don't forget to click on the notification bell so that if I upload a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. Thank you.